Hi, I'm Dan Smith. I'm here at Materials Management Tow Line in the Sheikh Zayed Tower. I'm not sure what they're going to have me doing today, but I'm excited to get started.
So we're going to be pulling dirty linen sheets today.
Okay.
So we're going to be
dirty, huh?
Yes, absolutely.
Oh man, you're going right for it, huh?
So Dan, it's the dirty linen chute for Zayed building.
Whoa. You got to load all this?
Absolutely.
It just comes down there?
Absolutely.
Whoa! When a bag falls through the chute, it comes down pretty fast and pretty hard, so you want to make sure you're not standing under it.
I wasn't sure if he was ready for it. I didn't know if he was going to be able to do the job exactly.
It's not something that all of us would want to deal with, so we really appreciate the folks who do this day in, day out to keep this place clean.
See, it's not too bad.
This is normal?
Absolutely. Another day in linen.
These bags, especially the dirty side, are wet and soiled, and they're heavy, and they break, and you have to clean it all up. So it's not an easy job. What do we do now?
We take it out here to the total line. We put it on the total line, send it to the department. Yes, sir. The hardest part is pulling these 700-800 pound carts. So, yeah, you get your work out daily. So what we're gonna do now, Dan, we're gonna take it, we're gonna put it on the total line. I'm gonna show you how we get it to the trailer.
Okay. You never think about where the dirty laundry goes and who has to deal with it. And Jamel does a great job with that.
We take the pin, drop the pin in it, right here in the hole, brother Dan. We drop the pin in it.
That connected to the tow line?
Absolutely, pull it right up here. Don't stand in front of it.
And that connects it?
You're gonna fall right in.
Good to go. I want to thank Jamel. He's a superstar. It was a pleasure to be introduced to him and all he does day in, day out for us. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your commitment to Johns Hopkins Medicine.